How to use Airbnb mobile app. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this episode, I'm going to show you the procedure to use Airbnb mobile app. So basically, if you want to use the mobile app, then you want to first of all head over to your respective app store, install Airbnb on your device. So type in Airbnb on your device, and after which what you want to do is simply go ahead and click on the open button after you're done installing. Then you need to create an account. Since I already have an account, so interface is gonna look like this. But to create an account, you'll be provided with different option. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, or go with the email or a phone number. You could go ahead and use any of these following option. Just simply select that, enter in the following information, create a password, enable location, and now that you've done this, you could see the home page something like this. Now to use Airbnb, you could go ahead and start searching. If you want to stay in a place, so you just want to tap on the search at the top, you could find nearby, you could also find the suggested and all that. If you cannot find the city or the country that you're looking in this section, you could tap the search and then type in the query, and after which you will be asked to select a date when you actually want to make a reservation or when you actually need it. Tap the next button, add in who are coming along with you, whether you have an adult, children, all that stuff. Click on search. Then you could find the listing according to your preferences and accordingly that you've selected. So basically you want to go ahead and look for it, and this is how you could use Airbnb mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.